For Canadian small and mid-sized businesses, the first quarter is when IT and cybersecurity decisions truly count. Q1 sets the tone for the year, impacting budgets, vendor choices, and your overall security posture. Start with backups. Backups themselves rarely fail, but assumptions about restoring them often do. Run at least one real restore test this quarter and document how long recovery takes. Next, focus on patching and maintenance. Most breaches happen because systems were not patched on time. Define a patching schedule that fits your business needs. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is essential. If MFA is not enforced everywhere, across cloud platforms, remote access, and privileged accounts, other protections may not matter. Also, check your endpoint detection and response tools. Make sure they are deployed correctly, monitored, and that someone is available to respond after hours. Vulnerability scanning is about prioritizing what could disrupt your business, not fixing everything at once. Even a short 30-minute incident response tabletop exercise can dramatically reduce recovery time if something goes wrong. People remain a key factor. Regular phishing simulations and awareness training reduce real risk. Review your cloud spend and security together to avoid wasted resources and unnecessary exposure. Finally, review your vendor's security readiness early. SOC 2 compliance now affects deals and prevents delays. You do not need to do everything at once, but you do need a plan.
Thank you.